Judgment नहीं है ना?
Yes,
Please,
sir.
your lordship, my lord. There is one item number 21.
21. Yes.
My lord, in this case, a writ petition was filed by us. Now that the response which was passed in our favor, there was land was acquired by the state government on behalf of ITB because they are the requiring authority. They challenged the notification of the award, which went against them. Then we file a contempt. Now the contempt has been is in court number 1, contempt. Now they file an IA in a dispose of matter where they are saying they are ready to comply the court's order by paying the amount. Now contempt is there. Now the IA is here. I think once or twice, Your Lordship, that's what my client said. Your Lordship appear for the state. So now what I am just requesting Your Lordship, if it is possible, can this matter can be sent to court number 1?
I'll just say that before list before appropriate bench, place before the appropriate bench, you ask the registry to place before.
Because today the matter is in item number 10. Because now in IA, they said they are willing to pay the amount, the principal amount.
Yeah.
That's the only difficulty. Otherwise,
we'll say just place before the appropriate bench.
if it can be, Your Lordship can say the approval, if this can be transmitted there. If it is possible, I just, the request is being made.
List this IA. Place this IA before the appropriate bench.
Yeah.
Please to registry to place accordingly.
So if it is possible today,
I just said
it can be sent, my lord. Only item number 10 is there.
yes.
I am deeply obliged, ma'am.
You just request the order has been passed. You just request the registry to place.
Yes.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, I'd like to mention item number 20, my lord.
20.
20, my lord.
Yes.
Here, my lord, I've been instructed to appear on behalf of the respondent number 2. I'm appearing for the first time today, my lord. May I pray for some time, my lord?
Mr. Disoki, item 20, Learned Counsel submits that he has an instruction to appear in the matter on behalf of respondent. Respondent number 2. Mr. Depo, he prays for some time. He prays for 2 weeks' time to take appropriate steps.
Can it be 3 weeks, man?
3 weeks. Mr. M. Doji, Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr. Prayer is allowed. Prayer of the Learned Counsel. Prayer of Mr. Disoki, Learned Counsel is allowed. List the matter after 3 weeks.
All right.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, I mentioning one unlisted bail application. My lord.
8-2.
Yes.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I may be allowed to file an unlisted CRP for today. Lordship, there is some urgency.
Have you filed it already?
Yes, yes,
Nobody is stopping you from filing?
yes. Lordship, it
May
may
be
be.
unlisted.
Yes.
2 o'clock.
Okay.
May I, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7 and 8.
7 and 8.
Yes.
Yes.
For the petitioner side. And Lordship, leading counsel is in medical treatment, under medical treatment.
Yes.
So he cannot appear in the BC today. So this matter may be fixed on 22.
7
this-
and 8.
Yes. This
Who is appearing for this
is
7 and 8?
PP.
PP? 7 and 8.
Yes, Lordship.
Are you appearing?
Yes, Lordship.
What's there? Nothing. It's purely a business transaction, civil nature. Will
But-
make the bail, interim bail absolute. That's
Other party is not present today, then next
she's
time,
there. What's there?
if she's,
Interim bail is there.
yes,
In
Lordship.
the-
Make it absolute. What's there?
I have no problem, but if other party is ready, then I have no
You have
problem.
this CD. Yes, there is. It's a sale of some dumper or some vehicle.
No, Lordship, sorry, Lordship, CD also not there, Lordship.
So because as the interim was granted, so he should be appear before the IO. So I think the statement has not been
Call for
recorded yet.
you will fix it on Friday.
Lordship.
Friday.
Yes,
Friday.
yes, for Friday, on Friday, 22.
You
Yes.
get the case ready.
Lordship.
I don't-
Like,
Both the separate, same order, but on the prayer of MS,
Dirilung,
the
Dirilung.
learned consent for the applicant. List this matter on Friday. And list this matter on 20, which one? Which?
22.
22, Friday,
Yes,
22/11/2024. The learned additional PP, MSL Hage, shall produce their
yes, sir.
up-to-date case there,
Lordship.
much.
Obliged.
7 and 8. Seven.
May I, my lord? My lord, I would like to mention item number 22.
Yes,
Matter may be listed after 3 weeks due to main council is suffering from viral fevers.
you keep praying for adjournment one after another. You are for respondent or petitioner?
Respondent.
Last time also you have supported that.
My lord, I have already taken consent from
MS,
petitioner. T said,
this learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Arun
beer.
submits that Mr. B. or learned counsel appearing for the respondent is having some medical issues. Mr. Therefore, praise God. Adjournment of the matter to further 3 weeks. Mr. Prayer not being objected to by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Come on. Same is allowed. List the matter. Expect for. Is list the matter after 3 weeks? Yes.
May I, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 23.
23.
Yes, Your Lordship. And maybe,
Yes. What?
sorry, Your Lordship.
What do you want?
Adjournment.
For how many years?
3 weeks, just 3 weeks.
MS
Sonam Somu.
Sonam Somo learned counsel for the appellant. Praise for adjournment of the matter for further to another for further 3 weeks. Mr. Prayer is allowed. List up to 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2 and 3, Your Lordship.
2 and 3.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why?
Your Lordship, as the leading council is out of station, Your Lordship.
What is to be done today? Yes, Mr.
My lord, I am appearing for the petitioner.
Hmm.
My lord, what if I got an instruction from the client
Hmm.
because there is a
Negotiation.
between the negotiation is going on. There is a suit filed by the
You would like
plaintiff.
to withdraw?
No, my lord, the written instruction we have not received. Let this matter come after 2 weeks.
Okay. Is it so?
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. S.K. David, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. E. Menjo,
Yes, Your Lordship.
learned counsel for the respondents, have jointly submitted that there is the negotiation, the settlement of the matter outside the court is in the offing. Therefore, praise for listing the matter after 3 weeks. List. Wow. Prayer is allowed. List the matter after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 24. I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Tama for the petitioner. The leading counsel is out of station. Due to some personal difficulties, he could not appear today.
On the ground of leading counsel, Mr. K. Tama, having been ground of leading counsel, Mr. K. Tama, being out of the station, Mr.
K. Ube.
K. Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Thama for the petitioner. Maxim mention for adjournment of the matter.
For 3 weeks,
For
Your
further 3 weeks. Mr. President, list after 3 weeks.
And there is an interim order, Your Lordship. It may be continued. There is an interim order here.
Make it
It
2
may be-
weeks. Make it 2 weeks. Then in that case, make it 2 weeks.
Kindly it may be
Interim order.
posted at 3 weeks. Your
Interim
Lordship.
order was earlier shall continue. We'll make it 3 weeks. You make a mention again after 2 weeks.
Please, kindly it may be posted at 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
Oblige.
My lord, I beg to mention that listing of the bail application number 99, 2024. My lord,
It's
I
a
wrongly,
pending
yes,
application.
it is pending application. I wrongly taken the date in the previous date. Today's, suppose this matter should be listed today, but it is
This
in the
was
fixed-
yesterday.
no, today, 19. But the matter is fixed for the 19th of December.
Yes. You have to file an application for modification. This is a judicial order fixing the.
Yes,
Yes, it was passed
the
yesterday.
previous, it was passed on the 16th December, supposed to be listed today, 19th of November, but it is listed for the 19th of December.
What
so
is
it is not
what is
reflected.
the order?
Order is to call for the LCR of the
No, order says fixing the day on 19th December.
19th December, but it's supposed to be fixed.
It has to be modified.
So my lord, my praying before this order, what is this
No, if there is a judicial order fixing the matter on 19th,
19th of
unless that order is modified, you
Yeah.
cannot take up the matter.
but it's wrongly, it was
I
reflected
don't
in the order.
know. Whose fault? Whose fault? Who is in fault or whose fault?
The fault, it was, I think that clerk.
You can help all of them. Who is the clerk? Who is the clerk?
I forgot that one.
Are you trying to say that even the court's order has been
No, date was wrongly taken, mentioned, date was wrongly mentioned. Supposed to be
by the court?
not by the court, but it was by mistakenly it was mentioned, I think.
To file an application, appropriate application for modification.
No, my lord, my praying before for is to listate the matter maybe tomorrow for refix the date.
Sir, why
Because it's a long pending bail it's a long pending. It was pending long.
it's a regular bail.
Yes, regular bail. It was filed on the September. In the month of September, it was filed.
Tomorrow, we'll see.
Yes. Much obliged, sir.
My lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15. Although it is a matter fixed in order column. But lordship, matter is fixed in order column, lordship. But here we are filing our reply today, lordship. And I have taken consent from the appellant.
What reply? It's a first appeal against
Yes,
order.
that's right. So lordship, matter may be fixed since the conducting counsel is from outstation, alone, lordship. Matter may
So
kindly.
why this has been listed for orders,
Lordship,
for steps?
for
service?
consideration of interim, lordship.
After 2 weeks. When do you want?
Tomorrow, if possible.
On the joint prayer of,
Tomorrow, if possible.
tomorrow is not possible.
Lordship, impugn order is of 21 September 2023, Lordship.
So why this has been,
I have wrongly filed appeal before the district judge. Impugn order, Lordship. Ex parte order was passed mechanically, Lordship.
next week, in that case, all right? On the joint prayer of Mr.
Lordship, can it be back on 3rd December, lordship? Since the conducting counsel is from alone.
Next month, Lordship.
Third,
Okay.
you just settle yourself.
Next Monday, Lordship.
You settle yourself. Monday.
Lordship,
Monday is, I think it's holiday.
3rd September, 3rd December.
Monday is holiday, I suppose.
Lordship, 3rd December would be the prepared date for the conducting council since he is from honor. Lordship.
That's why I said you settle yourself. Third.
Third.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr. R. Ingo, Learned Counsel for the respondents. 15, item 15.
Yes, item
15.
Respondents. How many respondents? One.
One.
Respondent. List this matter on 03/12/2024. Mr. The interim the interim prayer shall be considered on that day. On the next day.
Lordship, observation may be made, Lordship. No further adjournment should be granted. For the-
Interim prayer shall be considered on the next date. On the next date fixed, 3rd of December.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 13.
13.
Yes, with the consent of other party, this matter may be fixed after 2 weeks.
Herefore, Mr.
Yes, Your Honor.
S. Learned Counsel for the petitioner, press for listing of the matter after 2 weeks. Mr. Prayer is allowed. List the matter after 2 weeks.
May I please, my lords.
Yes.
Lordship, this application is filed under 438, read with 528 BNS for revision and setting aside of court order dated 10/22/10/2024 passed by Special Judge Poxo 0 in criminal case. This case application number 09/2024 in Poxo case number 003/2023. What happened, Your Honor? On dated
Since 2016, the informant and the accused petitioner, they started having 2016. Now the allegation within the FIR is saying that, no, at the time I was given the impression that the petitioner was single. That impression was given, and because of that inducement, she kept petition. First, then now again she is saying, hereafter, when I came to know that he is married person, I went to meet his first wife, and I had a discussion with his first wife. First wife has no problem, and thereafter she again kept on relationship. So in that way, a relationship went for 7 years between them. Now she is again saying, in the meantime, she conceived for 2 times. So she is saying that because of the insistence of the petitioner, that had to be aborted. But now she is again saying that now I am keeping. And in the FIR, she is saying that I have been living as husband and wife. This is the first part of that. Now, second part of the allegation is that one property was purchased when both of them were living together. And that property was, there was an agreement, and it was in her name. So now what she is saying is subsequently the petitioner changed the name in the agreement and converted it in his name. And this is the second part of the allegation. So it's 2 aspects are there. Now the charges, my lord, charge sheet, my lord, frame under section 376, 420, 506, 493, 468, 47, 2000.
Conviction
is under for part 1 of IPC and convicted for 10 years. So you take my lord, page number
62.
Yes. Starting. Last part.
Accordingly, I will give a sentence to convicted accused Cortez Ali and from so for a period of 10 years each. The both the accused with the final 10,000 each for the offense under part 1 of the Procedural Code.
Before the single bench.
Yes. More than 10 years has to be before. In this case,
You will admit and call for the record.
solely on the basis of the finding of juvenile. On the date of the commission of offense, he was only 15 years old.
Will say, we'll call for admit and call for the records. And your bail will be considered on the next day.
Direction may be given by the juvenile justice board to determine the age of.
We'll see, we'll see. All right. Heard Mr. J. Siri, counsel for the appellant, and also heard Mr. Jita Lalut, additional 50 for the state. This appeal is directed That's right. This criminal appeal is directed against the appeal under section 415 within bracket 2 of BNSS 2023 is directed against the judgment and sentence order dated 3010/2024 passed by the district and session judge Siang East Siang, Upper Siang, and Lower Siang district. Pasig. You just don't write district and session judge Pasigat, huh? In Pasigat sessions case number 13 of 2017, whereby the appellant had been convicted and sentenced to 10 years imprisonment with a fine of rupees 10,000. Under part 1 of section 304 and 34 IPC. Admit expert. Call for the trial court records. List after. 3 weeks. 3 weeks. List after 3 weeks.
This year,
Huh?
this year. Original.
Obviously. I
After receiving of.
in IA, huh? This is an application, hard so it's the same, huh? Application for the application under 430 within bracket 1 of BNSS 2023 for suspension of sentence of the interim and sentence order, interim judgment and sentence order dated 30/11/2024 passed by the district and session judge Pasigat in case session Pasigat session case number 13 of 2017. Which has been against you, against that's all. Notice is not required. Notice is not. Since Mr. Jita, the council, additional PP appears for the state, no formal notice need be served. Next one. The present application will be considered on the next date.
May I please, Your Honor? When this application has been filed by the applicant hearing, who is the brother of the accused person.
Circumstances, there are so many circumstances which is leading to this non-payment of this bills. Here is a contract and already the X% is released running bill of 5 lakhs as and that. And the invested the money given by this.
There are multiple efforts against you.
Yes, I am in the representative capacity of Rhodes MS Rhodes State Private Limited. That is why cases directed against me, all the cases. And one of the cases of Itanagar police station, that in that case I have been already released on bail.
Regular bail.
Regular.
Are you still in the custody?
Yes. In another case. In the Devmani case, I am inside the jail now. May I read the contents of FIR?
Is the son of
However, FIR this CD come or not? Even then I'm ready.
CD is there?
No.
Why? Of course. This will communicated to you. Return the case there report protection updated case there on the next date of listing. 13/11.
May I read the contents?
Just wait. Who has filed this application?
This authorized person.
Is it permissible?
Yes.
Is it permissible?
Because since the accused person is inside the jail, in that case, there are numerous pending FIR against the accused person. So, in case of that, he is since inside the jail, he should be permitted.
This application is filed yesterday only.
Not yesterday.
No,
Yes.
this AB, this AB,
This was filed on 8/11.
1811 in my record.
8/11.
So CD may be called for. I suppose it
CD was called for on 8/11.
8/11, not 18/11.
On again, it was listed on 13/11, and you were directed to, the CD was placed on that day, produced on that day, and you were directed to produce the updated case diary on the next date. Therefore, this has been listed today.
Listed today.
8/11, moved on 8/11.
Matter was this on 8/11. Today it is.
And 13, it was listed on 13 also.
Yes.
On the prayer of Mr. Tapag, it was adjourned for today. You were directed to place the case diary, updated.
Then your Worship, I tender my apology. If
What is to be
in
done
my
in that
record it
case?
is written 1811. So in my record it is written 1811. If he is already under detention, then CD may be called again, updated CD.
No, that day CD was produced. You are directed to produce the updated case diary. There are multiple FIRs against him. In one of the cases, he's been granted bail. In another case, he's inside the jail. This is just wanted to see the CD case diary. When you can produce?
It is 19.
This order has been communicated to you also. It shows that on 13 CD was produced. But on your prayer, on the prayer of the petitioner only, on your prayer only this was listed today.
Same case, I think. This is another case.
Huh?
He is having another case.
Why you are having another case?
Because same name. The name is same, but this is another case. Stop. Managed to arrange this file. Well, I will cross check. Matter will be fixed for tomorrow. No, tomorrow will be very early. Maybe. If updated city is required, then some few days may be required. City has already come because he is not having.
No, there was a direction of this court to produce the
Yes,
updated.
updated.
We'll fix it on Friday. So that they can bring it.
Yes.
Positive. You bring the case then,
Yes, I'll cross check it again.
not cross check only. You have to ensure that you should produce the updated case diary on Friday. Otherwise, you are granting bail today. Should I
Yes, on Friday.
dispose of this
On Friday.
today?
No, let's on Friday.
Short date will be fixed, Lordship.
Heard Mr. Titapak, learned counsel for the petitioner. Despite the order of this court for production of updated case diary on the next date, case diary today, which has been communicated today, learned PP, comma, no case diary has been produced. Is produced today. Listed matter on 22, Friday is 22, 11/20/2024. On which date the learned additional PP, Mr. Gitaro, still positively, the cell produced the updated case diary. Positively.
Obliged.
Don't forget, don't mix it up. Non appears for the petitioner on call. Who is appearing?
Yes, Lordship, I am appearing. Tapak sir is report petition.
You have not taken steps.
I'm not adjourning, actually. You have not taken step.
No steps have been taken. No steps have been taken
I will allow take step.
for respondent for service of notice upon respondent number 2 by the learned counsel for the petitioner.
Already died.
Then you take steps.
Yes.
It is informed. It is submitted by Mr. T. Tapak, learned counsel for the petitioner, that the respondent number 2 has expired. Therefore, see, he phrased for some time to take steps, the appropriate steps. List of, that the matter be listed after 3 weeks, so as to enable Mr. T. Tapak to take appropriate steps as prayed for.
Sir, my step has been taken from OC,
Hmm.
Sanglang, madam, but the service report is.
Await service report, list after 3 weeks.
Right.
On last occasion, the respondent had filed their wakalat plan.
Yes. What is to be done?
Next statement be given.
Heard Mr.
Rolling.
Hmm?
Rolling.
T.
Rolling.
Rolling, learned counsel for the petitioner. Not appears for respondent, sole respondent. Although, where is that wakalat number? Mingkong Patim, Eddie Pine. Although a battery of lawyers have filed their wakalatnam, their power on 23/7/2024. List for admission hearing after 3 weeks.
What's there is interim order.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue. Yep. Service reports in respect of respondent number 2. Still, service report. Await service report in respect of respondent number 2. List after 4 weeks.
Lordship,
Yes.
yes. We'll file our.
Can I take up this matter?
No, Lordship. Conducting counsel is from Allah, Lordship. Conducting counsel is from Allah, Lordship, and we'll be filing our objective.
Why he should be there? He should come here when the matter is listed.
Yes, Lordship.
Should wait for him.
No, Lordship, only very late
We
night
have to
yesterday.
see the convenience of not only the lawyer, convenience of the court has also been taken into consideration.
Then we'll file our.
This is what revision petition.
Yes, ma'am.
Service completed.
Yes, service completed.
Heard Mr. D. Ado, learned counsel to the petitioner, and Mr. R. Ingo for sole respondent. Service is complete. On the prayer of Mr. R. Ingo, learned counsel for the respondent, on the ground that the leading counsel is from Allah. Let this matter be listed after 4
Lordship,
weeks.
fix that by the way.
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
3 weeks or 4 weeks?
No, there is the interim order.
3 weeks.
Lordship, Lordship.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Declare.
Await service report. List of 3 weeks. Sorry.
Answer notice upon respondent number 2 is done by.
Like,
We have taken steps. Will it may allow us to have the steps through OC local PS.
Why?
This is not proper.
No, address you have to provide proper address then only. Otherwise, also OC also police station OC also. How can
We
he
have
serve?
found the address in the FIR.
Whatever you want to do, you take it press. All right.
The address mentioned in the FIR is not correct.
Huh? This is what? IA.
Not criminal petition.
IA is for what? Yaqub Ali.
Jacob.
Okay. Office note dated 04/11/2024 reflects that answer notice upon the respondent number 2 has been received back. Mr.
Azizur.
A. Rahman, learned counsel for the petitioners, is granted further 1 week time to take fresh steps.
Can you allow us to through OCP local PS? It will be very convenient.
Through OCPS, yes, it can be done. Officer in charge.
Nalagan PS.
Through officer in charge. Naharlagan police station. List after 3 weeks.
Can you fix that, fix date, because I'm from Guwahati.
3 weeks, yes, you give the 3 weeks, after 3 weeks. 3 weeks or 2 weeks? 2 weeks, 3 weeks, make it 3 weeks, 2 weeks.
Maybe mid of the December, 16, 17.
Like 16 December.
Wait,
Sir, what is this?
my lord, this is a revision petition. You are completed that Mr. A.K. Singh is enter appearance.
Is it?
Yeah. Today he is not harmed.
There's no office note. Yes, steps were taken long back in September.
Madam, there is delay of 365 days.
Yes.
So they have to file the objection if there is.
No, therefore, it doesn't indicate anything whether the service has been, notice has been served or not. You have taken a step on 26/9.
Yeah.
We'll wait for some time. Another 2 weeks. We'll see. Heard Mr. T. So that will counsel for the petition applicant. Mr. Although the steps have been taken on 25/09/2024, for which a notice was issued on the same day, there's no report indicated by the office. Therefore, let the matter be listed after 2 weeks, awaiting reports. Registry to a registry is directed to verify.
Obliged.
What is the matter, sir?
The matter. Actually, the trial court below dismissed the appeal due to non-submission of age proof certificate and Form 54, which is a special police report. Others, we were not contradicting there. We are not disputing in the court below also. It's a fit case. But question is that now they are submitting before this your lordship age proof certificate, admit card, and Form 54.
What is your case?
Lordship, I'm an appellant here as a Davis owner. Like my husband died in a motor accident dated 14/5/2009 at Bandardeva. The accident took place due to the rash and negligent of driving of the driver of night superbus. But bearing registration number is AS 25R0382, proceeding to Guwahati from Naharlagan. The accident took place due to the speedy and negligent driving of the night of superbus. The offending bus hit the motorcycle, which was during my husband's Dal Bahadur Sonari, and consequently my husband died on the spot. That my husband was working as a police constable in the Arunachal Police State Police Department, and he was drawing a salary of rupees 12,870 per month. The deceased was the sole bread earner of my family. On his death, the deceased left behind me 2 minor children. On his death, we had been suffering from untold financial hardship. And I had filed a claim petition before the Honorable Motor Accident Claim Tribunal, Papumpare District at UP, Arunachal Pradesh, claiming a sum of rupees 34,34,320 as compensation from the opposite party for the loss of my husband, Dalbadur Sonari. And my husband attained the age of 22 years at the time of the accident. The learned tribunal form below has been pleased to dismiss my claim petition on the ground of the non-submission of the Form 54 and age-proof certificate. On 13?
You appear for insurance company.
No.
Huh?
I appeared for the claimant.
Page 51.
That day, like, I was in a claimant side, but none was appeared from insurance. By mistakenly, technically, they might be typed out.
No,
I was in claimant. I was.
Mr. Mukpom Pertin,
yes,
Learned Counsel for the claimant.
Yeah, we both was
And
it
MSD
together.
Relum Learned Counsel for Insurance Company are present.
Yes.
How do you know? How do
No,
you
no.
know?
I was in claimant's head on. I was sitting
So, why your name has been recorded?
by mistake. Oh, Lord see.
How do you know?
Because I was in that side. I'm not.
How
I
you
was
are, which
not in
order,
the
which
respondent
order
side.
you are aggrieved?
Pardon, Lord sir.
Which order you are aggrieved?
The challenging order is 21/12/2023.
21 December.
21.
21 December, Lordship,
21 to
2023.
Hmm.
It was dismissed by the learned trial court below.
Saying what?
Saying that they did not submit proper documents.
The claim was directed to submit certain documents within 1 week. Thereafter, there is no any reflection the order said about the submission receipt of paper. But the case being found effectively to make a document. Very old, the MSN being old finance. Just following the but during the still local and neither the nor the council. There's a default on your part. You have been directed to certain documents within 1 week. Thereafter, there is no any reflection in the order sheet about the submission or receipt of the required documents. And then it was placed before the National Law Adalat also.
Yes.
You have not appeared. In such a situation, how you can find fault with the learned tribunal? How much, what is your claim? See, certainly you are filing and you have filed a claim petition.
Yes, sir.
Claiming some compensation.
Yes, Lord.
When the law requires that you have to submit certain documents, you have not submitted, how do the tribunal will consider? How you are aggrieved by this? It is your fault only. And thereafter, it was placed before the Lok Adalat. It's your completely on your fault.
No,
How you justify that? What's wrong in this order? Judgment and
that day, Lordship, when I reached that, the law Adalat was so already like over. I reached there
what
that
is
day.
your claim amount? How much you are claiming?
37,99,186.
Huh?
37,99,186.
You see, because of lack of certain documents, Yes, Mr. Decker.
Yes, my lord. Especially they failed to submit the Form 54 and age proof certificate.
Why this order? Mr. Mukman, page 51. Why this order? (14 of 2020). What this order indicates? Page 51.
The Muslim party allotted counsel for the claimant and company. Okay.
You should be very careful. You cannot be that casual. Since you are appearing for the claimant, how could your name be reflected on behalf of the respondent?
This was supposed to be
This
Mukpartin and Dirial. I mistakenly they did.
This may amount to misconduct. As a lawyer, you have to take it very seriously. You cannot afford to be so casual. You are lawyer for the claimant, and your name is recorded on behalf of the respondent.
I think it's
It's
a
not
technical
simple.
mistake.
It's not that simple as that.
No, I was standing in claimant
Yes,
side
you
of
should
it.
get it corrected when it comes to your when it comes to your knowledge. You should get it corrected. It's a very serious thing.
No,
It may seriously affect your career
Yes, Your Honor.
as a lawyer.
Yes, Lord.
The moment you got the knowledge, and when the moment it comes to your knowledge, you should get it corrected.
No, I asked that I got, but he said like order has already passed, so it cannot be changed.
Who says?
That
You should approach the court, tribunal. You file an appropriate application for correction. You're a young lawyer. You should be very careful.
Yes.
It may affect your career.
Yes, Lord.
Yes, what does it mean?
My lord, the matter may be referred back to trial court for trial afresh.
No,
Are you ready for that?
no, Lord.
See, there is nothing wrong
Yes.
in the impugn judgment and our judgment because it's all your fault. You have been given an opportunity to place the certain documents, which is required for settlement of, to determine your claim. You have failed to do so.
Okay.
Thereafter, matter was referred to Lok Adalat. You remain absent.
Yes,
Then
Lord.
you are filing this appeal.
Yes, Lord.
On what ground you are filing the appeal? When you are supposed to do something, you'll have to do that. What's wrong when placing documents, required documents, or filing a documents along with your claim petition?
Yes.
Tribunal wants to provide you certain compensation, but you have not complied or abide by the requirements of the law by providing certain documents which was required for determination. There's nothing wrong. Yes, Mr. Dekar, you
My lord.
talk to your client. Since admittedly the husband has died, right?
Yes.
Just because of this technicalities.
Yes, on that particular Lok
And
Adalat.
being the motor accidents claim being
Yes.
welfare legislation.
As MSCT itself is a beneficial legislation, that's why we tried to settle the matter through Lok Adalat, but they didn't.
You settled it, Lok Adalat.
They didn't.
You don't have any documents or what?
I have. I have.
Then why you have not filed it? Is it because of the client or it's because of the you?
No.
You means the lawyers, whoever were there.
Okay, I'll file in law.
No, it's not question of filing.
My
Can
lord,
you, take instruction? The view of the, tentative view of the court.
yes, my lord, I
Or,
can,
or we'll place it before the next Lok Adalat.
yes, sir, I can
So
take,
that
my lord.
things, you also take, because on merit, it is an appeal.
Yes.
On merit, there is nothing. No case, we cannot interfere.
Yes, sir.
Because despite repeated, opportunity, you fail to place or submit any documents, which was really required for proper determination of your claim, right?
Yes.
So on merit, your appeal, there's no ground, there's nothing in the appeal, but the compensation or the law in this regard is a welfare legislation. And considering that your husband has died, admittedly,
Yes, my lord,
whose fault which is yet to be determined.
we are not disputing.
Yes.
the fact.
So considering that, you take instruction from your client, tell her, is she how old she is? The petitioner appellate.
Now she's Sylvie is
Approximately.
is about 30.
Yes, 37, 38, nearly 40. 40. In that case, you convince her, you just apprise her, let her understand.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
On merit, there's nothing, we cannot help you out in this appeal.
Or my lord,
By taking the lenient view, despite that, we're requesting Mr. Deka to take instruction.
yes, my lord,
So that certain, not all, whatever you have claimed, because you have waived your right. Now, at least some amount of compensation. If you are claiming 37
Yes,
lakhs,
my lord.
then maybe 10 to 15 lakhs or less than that. At least some solace to the claim.
yes, company is ready, my lord.
So next
I will
week,
take it
next week,
next week.
next week,
Yes, sir.
you discuss with your client and appellant, let her understand. On merit, I don't find, prima facie, I don't find any ground to interfere
Yes, sir.
with the judgment.
Next week, my lord.
Yes. And Mr. M.S. D. Rilu, learned counsel for the appellant, and Mr. U. Decker, learned counsel for the insurance company,
Yes, my lord. United Indians.
United India Insurance Company. Mr. Next paragraph. After hearing the learned counsel for the parties at length, comma, this court is of the view that an opportunity be granted to the learned counsel for the parties to obtain instruction, considering that the husband of the claim admittedly had died, and the dismissal of rejection of the claim petition was on the ground of not providing, internally on the ground of not submitting required document as directed by the tribunal. Mr. The learned counsel for the parties, the respective learned counsel for the parties shall obtain instruction and apprise this court on the next date as to whether without going into the merit of the appeal, comma, any settlement can be worked out
Yes,
as the motor accident claims
yes, my lord.
is a beneficial legislation, beneficial and beneficial welfare legislation.
Yes.
So you come up with an option
Yes, Lord.
Instead of going into the merit,
Yes, my lord.
if we go by merit, we'll dismiss it. So we feel for you,
Yeah.
but whether remand it back
Yes.
for determination, if you can produce documents, or you go for settle the matter instead of press trial or
Yes.
consideration, go for
Settlement.
settlement
Yes.
in the law
Yeah.
court,
Yes.
or settle. List next week, when?
Yes. Next.
Next week.
Somewhere on Tuesday. Tuesday or Wednesday?
Yes, Tuesday, my lord.
No, in that case, Thursday, make it Thursday. Listed, huh? Huh?
Obliged.